There is nothing. There is nothing. There is nothing in my bag. There is nothing in my bag. There is nothing to eat. There is nothing to eat. It has been. It has been. It's been a long day. It's been a long day. It's been a busy week. It's been a busy week. I used to. I used to. I used to live in this city. I used to live in this city. I used to play basketball after school. I used to play basketball after school. By the way. By the way. By the way, where are you from? By the way, where are you from? By the way, have you eaten? By the way, have you eaten? I have no idea. I have no idea. I have no idea what he wants. I have no idea what he wants. I have no idea when it started. I have no idea when it started. I hope. I hope. I hope you have a great day. I hope you have a great day. I hope everything goes well. I hope everything goes well. Should I call him now? Should I call him now? Should I bring an umbrella? Should I bring an umbrella? I have a feeling. I have a feeling. I have a feeling something is wrong. I have a feeling something is wrong. I have a feeling it will rain today. I have a feeling it will rain today. I guess. I guess. I guess you are right. I guess you are right. I guess we should leave now. I guess we should leave now. The reason is. The reason is. The reason is the road was closed. The reason is the road was closed. The reason is we didn't plan well. The reason is we didn't plan well. I have a question. I have a question. I have a question about the lesson. I have a question about the lesson. I have a question about this rule. I have a question about this rule. The good news is. The good news is. The good news is the test was easy. The good news is the test was easy. The good news is we arrived on time. The good news is we arrived on time. To be honest. To be honest. To be honest, I am a little tired. To be honest, I am a little tired. To be honest, I forgot about it. To be honest, I forgot about it. I am pretty sure. I am pretty sure. I am pretty sure he is at home. I am pretty sure he is at home. I am pretty sure this is the right way. I am pretty sure this is the right way. In the meantime. In the meantime. In the meantime, let's have some coffee. In the meantime, let's have some coffee. In the meantime, please sit down. In the meantime, please sit down.